Devant. Oh, wow. I almost injured your dog. Oh, she's got a long way to swim now.
You gotta come to the steps. Oh God, please don't drown because I can't reach over there. Kaya, to the steps. Come on. Swim. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're a good girl. Good girl. Come on. Go to the steps. Good girl.